Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about disabling unnecessary startup applications in your Windows computer. It's quite frustrating that some applications may start up automatically as soon as you log into Windows, whether you need them to or not, which results to an extended startup process. Worry no more. Windows has long offered a way to view and disable your startup programs. You can fight back. Here's how. First, open Task Manager on your Windows computer by searching Task Manager through the Start button. Click the Startup tab. From there, it'll display a list of startup applications, its publisher, status, and startup impact. Select a safe startup program to disable. Right-click, and then select Disable. You can also click the Disable button at the bottom right. Take note, disable one app at a time to make sure you and Windows can live without the program running at startup. Restart the computer and surely the difference is very noticeable, especially if you disable apps that have high startup impact. Make it a habit to check and manage startup apps to experience significant improvement in boot up time. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.